Hi, this is Joachim for statisticsglobe.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate ggplot2 axis labels in R. So in the video I'm going to show you several examples, and all of these examples rely on the data that we can create here with lines 2 and 3 of the code. So if you run this code, you can see that a new data object appears here at the top right. And we can also have a look at the data, and then you can see that it's a simple data frame with two columns. One column contains a character strings and the other column contains numeric values. Now, if we want to plot based on the ggplot2 package, we need to install and load the ggplot2 package, and that is something we can do with lines 5 and 6 of the code here. I have installed the package already, so I'm just going to load it here with line 6. And then we can draw a basic ggplot with lines 8 and 9 of this code. So let's do this. And then we can see that here at the bottom right of our studio, a basic ggplot appears. And here at the bottom you can also see our labels, and right now they are also overlapping a little bit, so we might want to change that. So if we want to rotate our labels, then we can use the theme function that is provided by the ggplot2 package. And within this function we can specify the axis.text argument. And here in this case we are specifying the angle to be 90 degrees. So let's see what happens when we do that. So now you can see here at the bottom right that our axis labels were changed to a 90-degree angle. This is often the best solution already, but however, of course, you could also specify other angles here in the within the theme function, and this is something that I'm showing you here in lines 15 to 17. So if you run these 3 lines of code, then you can see that the angle is changed even further. So quite often you will have to play around a little bit with the code to see which angle fits you best. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to show you in this tutorial. However, if you want to learn more about the rotation of ggplot axis labels in R, then you could also have a look at my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on the homepage I have recently published a new tutorial on the rotation of ggplot2 axis labels, and also I have several other tutorials about the ggplot package on the homepage. I will put a link to this tutorial in the description of the video, so you could check it out there if you want. And if you have liked the video, of course I would be very happy if you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more R tutorials in future. Thanks a lot, see you next time, bye bye.